Hi everyone! Today I want to show you this Patiowell 5x3 feet outdoor storage shed. If you've been looking for a simple way to organize your backyard, patio, or garden, this could be a really great option. I've actually owned one of these sheds for about 3 years now, and it's still holding up really well. In fact, I recently needed some extra storage space, so I decided to buy the exact same model again because my experience with the first one has been so positive. This shed has been sitting outside the entire time, exposed to sun, rain, and wind, and it's still in great shape. It hasn't warped, come apart, or lost its structure. It feels just as solid as when I first put it together. The metal panels still look good both inside and out, and there are very few signs of wear considering how long it's been outdoors. As you can see, it's compact enough to fit comfortably in smaller outdoor spaces, but it still provides plenty of room for storing tools, gardening supplies, outdoor equipment, and all those items that would otherwise be left outside or cluttering up your garage. The shed is made from galvanized steel, which helps protect it against rust, corrosion, and UV exposure. It's designed to stay outdoors year-round, and from my own experience, it has handled different weather conditions really well. Another feature I like is the lockable door. If you're storing tools or equipment outside, being able to add a padlock gives you some extra peace of mind and helps keep everything more secure. It can also help keep small animals from getting inside. The sloped roof is another nice feature because it allows rainwater to run off instead of collecting on top. Over time, that can help extend the life of the shed and keep it looking better for longer. As for assembly, the shed comes with detailed instructions to guide you through the process. In my experience, it can take around 3 to 4 hours to put together, depending on how many people are helping. It's not overly difficult, but I definitely recommend having a second person there because some of the panels are easier to handle and install with extra help. One important thing to keep in mind is that this shed does not include a floor base. If you're placing it on dirt or an uneven surface, I would recommend preparing a foundation first. In my case, I installed wooden boards across the bottom to create a stable and level surface, and it's worked perfectly. Overall, I think this is a great option for anyone who needs extra outdoor storage without taking up too much space. For me, since my house is on the smaller side and I don't have a garage, it's been the perfect solution for storing all those things that don't really have a place inside the house. It's durable, secure, weather resistant, and it helps keep the backyard looking much more organized. So if you're like me and need some extra storage space that also looks nice in your yard or garden, I definitely think this one is worth checking out.